not ready for a full karaoke machine, but your child thinks they're on tour, this is the middle ground. It's a kid Bluetooth karaoke microphone. So it's basically a microphone and a speaker in one. Connects so quickly to your phone or your tablet using Bluetooth, built-in speaker. It is loud enough for fun, but your whole house won't go ballistic. LED lights flash when they sing, so they think it's cool. Voice changer modes, keep it funny, and you can recharge it, which is really nice, so you're not like constantly buying batteries. My daughters love these, perfect for gifts. Easy enough for kids to figure out without constantly helping them over and over again. More of a fun toy than a serious karaoke system. This is just perfect for like living room concerts or singing along in a car. So if you have a child who loves to perform, like mine does, this keeps them busy and feels way cooler than singing into the hairbrush. And they love the color.